So if you're watching this video, it means you missed question 1 on your Google form. So question 1 was, how far is Sam from school after 100 seconds? So this is my little hint to you. Remember that the S in this equation stands for seconds. They have given you the number of seconds they want you to plug in. So it's a plug and chug problem. Take your number and use it in the equation that they've given you to figure out how many yards away Sam is from school. Okay, so you're going to watch this video and then it's going to send you back to question 1 and you're going to try one more time.